Hi, viewers and friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to dive into a topic that's causing huge changes in the manufacturing industry, the advantages of CNC machining over traditional machining. It's not just about technology, it's about efficiency, cost and innovation. With the rapid development of science and technology, CNC machining is opening up a new road to the future for the manufacturing industry. Without further ado, let's take a look at how CNC machining is ahead of traditional machining in terms of cost, ease of use, precision and productivity. 1. Cost effectiveness. Let's first look at the cost benefits. Compared to conventional machines, CNC machines have a lower overall cost, thanks to lower labor costs, scrap rates, and maintenance costs. In large projects, CNC machines are clearly more competitive, and this can be about more than just tools and iron. 2. Ease of use. CNC machines are easy to use without the need for an experienced operator. Compared with traditional machine tools, its user-friendliness allows even novices to produce high-quality workpieces, which is a skills revolution in manufacturing. 3. High accuracy and consistency. High precision is one of the hallmarks of CNC machine tools. They can produce thousands of identical parts at record speeds, which is often difficult with conventional machines. The precision that comes with automation is what makes CNC machines stand out even more. 4. Labor efficiency. The automated nature of CNC machine tools allows operators to control multiple machines at the same time, which is beyond the reach of traditional machine tools. In this digital age, efficiency is king, and CNC machines are the secret weapon of manufacturing efficiency. 5. Advanced production options. The use of software opens up new production possibilities for CNC machines. You can make complex products that would be unimaginable on a traditional machine without having to worry about replacing the entire machine. This is the new world of advanced production that CNC machines bring to the table. 6. Prototyping and simulation. CNC software gives you the ability to simulate prototypes before actually producing them, which is especially handy during the iteration phase of a project. Time and money savings are a major plus for this feature. 7. Meet modern workforce skills. In the modern era, digital technology is the dominant skill in the workforce. CNC machines are a perfect match for the skill needs of the modern worker, which makes them more competitive in attracting a new generation of skilled workers. 8. Better finishing and higher precision. Precision is critical to manufacturing. CNCs bring better finishing through the use of more precisely positioned controllers. This contrasts with the level of control that traditional machines need to rely on from the operator. 9. Faster production speeds. CNC machines take less time to produce parts due to their superior accuracy and faster feed rates. This means greater efficiency in manufacturing and a quicker response to market demand. 10. Reduced setup errors. The CMM probe of the CNC effectively reduces the probability of setup errors, compared to conventional machine tools which rely more on the operator's skill in using the measuring equipment. 11. Greater flexibility of the machine tool. CNC machining brings greater flexibility by combining the separate functions of conventional machines into a single unit. The ability to easily replicate any movement on any machine tool opens up more possibilities for the future of manufacturing. By comparing these aspects, we can clearly see that CNC machine tools are not only technologically advanced, but they have made a huge difference to the manufacturing industry, from ease of use and cost effectiveness to high accuracy. Thanks for watching, and if you are interested in this topic, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.